What if the future of air travel could be both faster and cleaner? NASA's new solid-state sulfur selenium battery might just make that a reality. This groundbreaking technology promises to replace traditional gas-powered engines with electricity, significantly reducing harmful emissions. Air travel is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, with commercial flights in the US alone accounting for 10% of transportation emissions. Conventional jet engines rely on fossil fuels, releasing a wide array of pollutants into the atmosphere during flight. Electric airplanes offer a promising solution, producing zero emissions during flight, but they face challenges, especially with battery technology. Electric planes need powerful batteries with high energy density to generate the energy needed for takeoff and sustained flight. NASA's sulfur selenium battery prototype boasts an impressive energy density of 500 watt-hours per kilogram, doubling that of traditional lithium-ion batteries. This solid-state battery maintains its structural integrity even when damaged, eliminating the risk of fire, a critical safety feature for aircraft. NASA's battery also discharges energy 10 times faster than other solid-state batteries, crucial for the rapid energy release needed during takeoff. With a 40% reduction in weight, these batteries could lead to more efficient aircraft, extending the range and capabilities of electric airplanes.